The Rocky Mountains, as forbidding as they are beautiful. Forming a rugged spine that bisects the North American continent, they had long served as a barrier to be overcome by would-be European American settlers on their way from the east to the Pacific. Although the Lewis and Clark expedition had pioneered a path through the Rockies at the beginning of the 1800s, other than the native tribes, only a hardy group of mountain men, as they were called, figures such as Kit Carson and Jedediah Smith, inhabited these mountains, seeking mineral deposits and engaging in the fur trade. So what would induce large numbers of people to come to this wilderness area in what was then the westernmost reaches of the Kansas Territory, bringing about the settlement that culminated in what is today the state of Colorado? In a word, gold. In 1858, gold was discovered at Cherry Creek, where part of the city of Denver now stands, and the first of several Colorado gold rushes began. Soon, gold coins were being minted by Clark Gruber and Company in Denver, forerunner of the Denver Mint. More gold strikes ensued, with the last and richest of these occurring in the 1890s in the town of Cripple Creek. But gold was not the only shiny metal drawing settlers to Colorado. With the discovery of the lode at Leadville in 1879, the first of several silver rushes was on, bringing a flood of new emigrant prospectors to many of the same mountain gullies that had been the site of the gold rush. The extension of railroad lines into the mountains further enabled the silver boom and helped give birth to towns such as Aspen and Telluride. Today, a great interest in metals has once again brought people to Colorado. The metals are in powder form, and the people are all of us, here gathered to celebrate and take pride in the achievements of the most outstanding practitioners in part fabrication through powder metallurgy, as judged in the annual Design Excellence Awards competition sponsored by MPIF. Once again, this year entries were judged against others in the same market application, regardless of material, size, or fabrication process. In this fashion, we continue to shine the spotlight on the tremendous breadth of applications in which powder metallurgy is becoming the method of choice for component fabrication. By continuing to broaden the range of applications we serve, the PM industry will maintain its growth and vitality. This year's winners in the Powder Metallurgy Design Excellence Awards competition clearly demonstrate the advantages PM offers the knowledgeable end user: precision, design flexibility, environmental friendliness, special properties, and ultimately significant cost savings. These advantages will continue to win PM an increasing share of components over competitive materials and manufacturing processes. Ladies and gentlemen, at this time we proudly present the winning parts in the 2007 Powder Metallurgy Design Excellence Awards competition. 7 grand prizes and 7 awards of distinction have been given this year. We'll begin with the awards of distinction.